Now we'll learn about arc. So to draw arc, we will use that option here. They have option named arc. So I'll click here and there are many options, and one by one we learn about that and we learn about its uses. So first of all, we learn about 3-point, and I'll click here and our arc option will start, but I'll skip. And if you press, if you write command on keyboard A and enter, just see your arc will appear here. So I'll skip and I'll go here. First of all, I'll take that option, 3-point. Okay, a arc with respect to 3-point. I'll click here. Now it's telling us specify a start point of arc. So I'll create an arc here. Now I'll consider our start point will be here. Now second point, so I'll consider our second point will be here, and our third point, I'll consider our third point will be here. So this is our arc. Similarly, if I again click enter, so previous command have been activated, and now if I consider our first point is here and our second point is here and our third point is here, just see here our arc in this way, and this is the center of our arc. In this way we are able to draw a arc with 3-point.